So today we're going to carry on with the Volvo 240 Lily, and we have another inspection failure item to fix, which is the rear reverse light, the tail light lens. It's cracked. Now, I was expecting to have to replace not only the tail light but both tail lights, because obviously they're both faded, and if we just replaced one it would look a bit weird. But luckily, a long-time subscriber and Patreon member, Mortimer, he actually reached out in one of the earlier videos on this car where I went over the failure items, and he actually let me know that you can get just the lens, which is super cool. So we've ordered that. It was nice and cheap. It was on the shelf. So yeah, we can actually just swap that lens piece over itself and we should be good to go. Yeah, that's what's so cool about these cars. You can still get things like this, which is just amazing. And more importantly, it's not expensive. It's not like €100 as you'd think, and then you have to wait 3 weeks for it. It's on the shelf, available, 11 bucks, job done. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll just replace that. We'll take the light apart. Well, we'll take that lens off. Hopefully the whole light unit doesn't just explode. And then we'll get that piece glued in. It looks horrible, but it's the pollen. I washed it just the other day, but it's covered in pollen. That's all that is. Maybe a little bit of algae, but yeah, they're not the best. I'm going to admit they don't look great. I've wanted to replace them for ages. Hopefully it doesn't just disintegrate when I pull it off now. Bit disgusting. Anyway, yeah, the more I look at these lights, the more I really strongly feel like they should be replaced. They've been in the sun a bit too long. It says 87 now. I don't know if that's the date. Probably. It's an 88 car, so it's a long time out in the sun, isn't it? But yeah, a little bit longer, It's always satisfying to save an old thing, isn't it? So let's see. It's not glued in. Oh, that was easy. He says, there we go, look at that. So there's probably some dirt in there from 1988. Yeah, Miss Involvo'd did warn me. She said, won't it stand out if you just replace that lens and you leave the others? Yeah, she might have had a point there. Oh well, the whole car stands out, it's fine. So you have to clean this up a bit somehow. I don't know how. Brake cleaner and a rag, I expect, or something. See, so that's how they should look. This is black silicone stuff. All this is hard inside. It's all turned, but in the bottom I've got some stuff, so it's going to be a bit messy. Oh, what a mess. Let's see. After treatment of other troll. You can see there where you got the before and after shot there. So it's a little bit dirty, but more than that, it's faded. So you can see what the other troll has done. It's just given the lenses just that bit of shine again, made them less misty and sort of opaque and faded, and made them a bit clear again. It's just like basically a lacquer over the top, isn't it? So yeah, they look nice. And now we've got reverse light out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, guys, if you've got any most of you know this, but if you've got any lights that aren't working, just come back here and just give these a little twist. It's nearly always just the connection. But yeah, there we go. It's a little bit dark, but they're okay, aren't they? So there we go. Just need to get some tyres sorted out for it. I'm actually going to finally get those wheels clean, hopefully, and then yeah, it'll be off for the retest. So fingers crossed we can get through. And yeah, there's quite a lot of other things happening as well on the channel with the 740 and the other vehicle as well. So yeah, I'll see you next time.